In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove inventory as a farmer. So this is what you show that you have active every single week. You can delete it if it was entered in error. Go ahead, just click the delete button, the trash can, it gets rid of it. But something that we do recommend that you set up automatically every single time that you add inventory is to go to the auto remove after date. So if you only are going to have those for that week, then make sure that they set up to auto remove that Friday or whatever day that you want them gone, and then they will fall off of your inventory list. They will then show that they were unsold flowers or unused flowers, but you can see when you look at that zinnia, it now says below it expires August 7th. So those florists can know, or then those florists will not be able to buy that item the next week unless you harvested new ones and added that to the inventory.